So now what do you do now?
Well, I need to verse town.
Yeah. So.
Kyrie.
Sora.
Kyrie. Riku. Oh, what? What happened? Oh, was I asleep? You were asleep, Sora.
Yeah, it's true. You were asleep.
What are you guys talking about? I was not asleep. You guys are so dumb.
Yes, you were, Sora. We saw you.
Baloney.
Oh, he's falling asleep again.
I dream. Where am I? Wee! I'm like Peter Pan, one of those fictional characters. Wee! Huh? Oh, I'm in a black darkness. But who's down there? A room.
Grandma!
Okay, little child. Let me tell you a story. One time when I was your age, my mama, your great grandmother, took me out to the city. She said, "Toilet down," and I said, "Grandma, I'm choking on a ring, a soft ring." It was actually a gummy bear. So my mom said, "Girly girl, you are the one who is the Keyblade Master." But I said, "No, I'm not. Who the hell is Keyblade Master?" She said, "You know, that's a good question, little child. I was once a Keyblade Master." And then I'm all, "No way, guys are Keyblade Masters." And then she's all, "No, that's not true. I was Keyblade Master." Whoa. Guess what I just found out, guys?
What, Sora?
Dude, Kyrie's grandma was a Keyblade Master. And her great-grandmother was too. Isn't it awesome?
Who knew, Sora?
So, Riku, you gonna give me the ring or not?
I am not gonna give you the ring. I'm looking for Sora.
What about crowns? Can you give me Crayola crowns? Huh? I'm looking for crowns. Please give me crowns.
I only have Sharpie. Now go away, you stupid beast. I need time.
But Riku, you don't understand. I need that Crayola for Belle. I give it to her for her birthday every month. I swear to God.
I'm not kidding. But if you will do a good deed for me.
No, I do not want to do a good deed.
Yes, you will. To get those Crayola crowns?
No!
We're Matrix!
Kill you! You don't give me the Crayola crowns, I'm gonna kill you!
Yeah. Sling! I have tamed you ugly beast.
Hey, what happened here? Riku?
Nothing happened, Sora.
Why is Beast laying on the ground?
Because he wanted my Crayola crowns I was gonna give to you for your birthday.
Is he sleeping?
Yes, of course he's sleeping. You gotta understand, Sora.
No, I will not understand till you tell me what happened to Beast.
Kyrie, is she with you? She's in my heart. Get away.
No, my Keyblade! No!
Give me that Keyblade.
No! That's my Keyblade. Hello? Oh, it's right there.
I have a key. This will suit me good. Now, I am the Keyblade Master, and you are pitiless. You have nothing else I want except my Crayola crowns.
But I thought you had the Crayola crowns, Riku. Riku, I thought you had the Crayola crowns. Now, can you give me back my key? I need that for my house key. You know, I need that for my house. And Don and Goofy can't come play with me.
Well, you're not in your house, Sora, so you won't be needing it. Here, you could have this wooden sword I carved for you. Remember on the